Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Naga token. Ticker symbol is NGC. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, August 20th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, they have this token listed as the Naga coin. They also refer to it as Naga X, which is the name of the platform, Naga X. Nagax.com is their official webpage. Ticker symbol for this token, NGC. So this token just got listed today, August 20th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search NGC, and then simply just buy the Naga coin. It is that easy. So it says Naga coin NGC is a cryptocurrency that aims to become the one coin for social finance. Now they have their Etherscan on here. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They have an insane amount of holders, 47,518 holders. So a very well-established project. Fully diluted market cap and circulating supply market cap are a little bit over $6 million. 18 decimal places. And it says there's a max total supply of 77,910,266 tokens. So their official webpage, Nagax.com. So what is Naga X? Naga X is a platform focused on bringing crypto into the social trading financial space, offering powerful crypto wallets with low transfer fees and top-tier security measures, allowing secured storage and exchange for over 100 assets, derivatives trading, as well as access to top-quality, free, and easily digestible educational content as part of a well-established and innovative Naga Group AG. And with the support of the existing Naga community of over 1 million users, Nagax is confidently stepping into the future of Web3 and inbuilt NFT marketplace. So what is the difference between Nagax and Naga? Why do they add the X on, different parts of their webpage and whatnot? So it says Naga Group AG is a leading multi-asset neo-broker powered by social network that combines retail investing on 1,000 markets, cryptocurrency and payment apps serving 1 million accounts in 100 countries. Award-winning Naga Trader app has revolutionized the world of social trading. Naga X, as the newest part of Naga Group AG, is a secure online social trading platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing and trading cryptocurrency. One of the most obvious differences between those two is the first one is a brokerage and the second one is a crypto exchange. So there you go. Can I buy crypto with my credit card on Nagax? Yes, you can. Nagax allows you to buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies thanks to a secure and seamless Nagax wallet. You can even buy crypto using your credit card by simply selecting the coin you would like to purchase and then selecting the payment method you would like to use. Can I trade crypto on Nagax? Absolutely. Nagax offers a range of services like trading, buying, and selling crypto. You can choose from over 100 of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market. Is Nagax safe? Security on the platform, transactions, exchange, and the crypto wallet is a priority from the very first day of Nagax's creation. Today, Nagax provides top-level security for all its users. We continuously update the security measures and integrate them within frameworks. Your coins are safe, or seifu as we should say in crypto. Why would I choose Nagax? Apart from the fact that Nagax offers a platform that's extremely secure, it's part of an existing and established brokerage with a large, vibrant community and free education for all. Nagax is destined to become a trailblazer of its niche, aiming to integrate social trading with a crypto world and implementing its own NFT marketplace and launchpad in the near future. So you can see there's tons of utility here, which is why they probably have 47,000 holders so far. This about to become a Web3 platform is a go-to place for newbies, experienced traders, and finfluencers. So how can you create an account? Well, creating an account on Nagax is quick and simple. If you are an existing Naga user, just go to nagax.com and log in with your credentials. If you've never used Naga before, select the sign in button and go through the quick registration process. After that, you'll be able to set up a profile, post on the Naga X feed, and start building your presence within the community. And of course, buy, sell, or trade crypto. So what is social trading? Social trading is a form of investing that allows investors to observe the trading behavior of other more experienced ones and to follow the investment strategies. There's many aspects to social trading, but the most important one is copy trading. So stay tuned for it on Naga X. So that'll be coming soon as well. Now, there's an insane amount of links. If you go to their webpage, nagax.com, you can click on trade, and there's markets, spot trading fees, listing assets, exchange fees, trading rules, API. You can read about the company. There's about us, promotions, news, analysis, contact us, regulation, and licensing. There's a help center for supports. They have different products like a crypto wallet, affiliates program, buy crypto, NFT section. So they have Nagax NFTs, NFT creator fund, marketplace and storefront. They have different markets where you could buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy USD coin, buy Naga. You can follow them on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. Did I say that? Twitter, Facebook, Telegram. Maybe I missed Telegram. There's Telegram as well. At the top of their page, change the language. Login, sign up, company information, product information, trading information, buy crypto, all that type of stuff. And check out this token, newly listed, the Naga coin, ticker symbol NGC on Mexc Global, starting today. So check out all those referral codes down there in the description box if you guys don't have a Mexc Global account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you guys think this is a good investment or what? And thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate everybody who also supports on Patreon. I don't give you guys enough shout-outs. The people who follow on Facebook and leave comments. And the people who like these videos every single day, hit the join button, super thankses, all that type of stuff. I appreciate all of you. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.